Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the class 3, lecture 6 of maths. Today we will be doing some problems with time. Like I have drawn some clocks here. I will be delivering the concept of when an hour passes, or when it's quarter to some hour, or when it's quarter past, like 2 or 3. For the first one, everyone knows that clocks have two hands. Now if the smaller hand is pointing right towards 1 and the bigger hand or the minute hand is at 12. Now whichever digit the smaller hand is pointing and the bigger hand is on the 12, then the time is like here it's 1 o'clock. Now if the smaller hand is at 2 and the bigger hand is at the minute hand is at 12, it says 2 o'clock. Now if the smaller hand points towards 9 and the our minute hand is pointing straight towards 12, then it's 9 o'clock. So the time here written will be 9 o'clock. And if the smaller hand is between like 1 and slightly before 2 and the bigger hand is at 9. Now if we look at here, a clock has 60 minutes, and if we divide a clock into 4 equal parts, the one quarter of a clock makes 15 minutes. Now it's not actually 2 o'clock, but there are still 15 minutes until 2 o'clock. So we can say quarter to quarter to 2. I mean it says that there are still 15 minutes until 2 o'clock. Similarly here, if we say if the our hand is slightly a little bit further from 1 o'clock, from 1, and our minute hand is actually pointing at 3. Now if we divide the clock into 4 equal parts, now 3 and 9 also makes here when we say quarter to 2, the minute hand was pointing towards 9. Now it is a 1 quarter of a clock, and the 3 also makes 1 quarter of the clock. We can say it's quarter past because the minute hand is actually past the 12. We can say that it's quarter past 1. So all the problems starting from page number 100 looking at time will be solved like this. Seek guidance from your parents or tutors to solve these questions. Tomorrow I will be here with some further explaining. Until then, Allah Hafiz.